Hey guys, it's Jack, and this is my bike check. Right now I'm outside, so you might hear some crazy noises because my neighbors are monkeys. But those are just Haro bars, put some burst sticker on them, Colt grips, ODI bar-ends, 1664 headset, FBM Executioner frame, 2010, Haro forks, Kwando hub, Kenda tire, 1664 bottom bracket, purple Haro cranks, Haro pedals, fit railed seat, Aaron Ross Odyssey Aaron Ross tan wall keypad tire, Kwando 9-tooth, orange Campsey chain, Haro sprocket, and I guess that's about it. And here are my shoes that I wear, and they're Etnies RVMs mids, and pretty slick. I've been riding them for, this is going to be my second year, but they're the best shoes that I ever got. So, well, that's pretty scurvy now, isn't it? See you later.